it's Michael here with ePapery. Welcome back. Just a short video today, just to show you a new product that we recently listed on our Etsy shop, ePapery, and how to use them. So these are little, I'm not sure what I called them when I listed them. I think I call them little stitched labels. But, okay, so these are hand stitched. So we have, some of them have, hopefully you can see that, some of them have words on them. Some of them just have flowers on them. Some of them have a group of flowers. So, and we just recently listed those. They come in a pack of 5. So now let's take a look at how I would use these, and if you have any other suggestions, feel free to comment as to what you can think of. Okay, so the first one that I'm looking at here is just a basic cluster. So I've just taken a plain piece of coffee dyed paper, added a book page to it, and then took a circle that I had punched out of a light pink, put it on there, and then just stuck the little label on it. So that's just a cluster. Now, you know, these can be used as clusters on anything, and I'm going to show you that. You could just also use these if you wanted to, you know, even just, this is not a very good page to show you on, but just on a page somewhere, you know, if you wanted to do that. So we'll put this one aside and show you some of the other things that I was looking at. Okay, so here is a corner pocket, and what I did here, and I didn't ink anything up on this either, I put a little piece of jelly printed deli paper on there, added my little flower cluster and a piece of lace, and there is your decoration for your pocket. On this one, sorry, I got too many things on my desk here. Okay. On this one, I decided I was going to try and make a belly band. So I cut a piece of paper, which looks like I didn't cut it very straight. Okay, I'm going to take just a half of a circle, and then the other half of a circle here. And then I have a piece of light pink fabric. I'm going to put on there a piece of lace. Can't tell which side is up and which side isn't. And then the little hand stitched label. And that is on a belly band. Okay, next is like a tuck spot that I was looking at. Now let me see if I can remember how this goes. Okay, so I just took a piece of scrap paper here. I'm going to lay it down there, and I'm going to lay a flower stamp like up here, a piece of lace. This is an antique lace that I had gotten. Okay, a piece of a yellow ribbon that I'm going to put like just right there. And then one of the stitched labels. And here is a little label that says vintage. So you would glue that on your page, you know, on the bottom part of it, and leave the top open so that it would sit on your page as a tuck spot. So you'd set it down on maybe in a corner like this and glue from here to here, and then you would have a place to tuck a tag or something. So that's another idea. And the last one is just a tag. So I took a tag base that I had here, and I added a piece of colorful vintage kind of paper. I'm adding a piece of dark red fabric, a tea-dyed piece of fabric that has some script on it. I'm adding my little label, and then I took and put just a little bit of lace there on the bottom, and that would be your tag. So there are all kinds of different ways that you could use these. So if you can think of some more, let me know. Otherwise, I want to tell you that these are available on our Etsy shop, ePaperie. And as I said, they come in sets of 5. Okay, guys, I hope that you're having a great day, and take care of yourself. We'll talk to you later. Bye.